Find the perimeter of the following shape. So if we start with the triangle, so we'll say this one is the triangle, then the perimeter is, start here, it's going to be 20 plus 20 plus 14, which gives me 54 centimeters. So let's do the rectangle next. If I start here, P is equal to 2 plus 10 plus 2 plus 10. And that gives me 24, in this case, meters. And finally, we'll do the hexagon. Now, it's a regular hexagon, which means all the sides are 5. So I don't need to do 5 plus 5 plus 5 and so on. I can just say that there's 6 sides and they're all 5. And that gives me 30 millimeters.